So my 2002 Honda S2000's OEM rear trunk spoiler, I noticed was starting to peel up a little bit. There was a gap underneath it on hot days. It would kind of separate itself from the trunk. So this video is just going to show you quick what I did to fix that. Right here you can see I took the OEM spoiler off the trunk. All there is are two 10mm screws underneath inside the trunk you need to take off. And then those two items in the middle are like plastic snap tabs. You don't got to really worry about those. Just pull up on it. But do be careful because you don't want to break the plastic at all. So as you can see here, 2001 production date, my car's a 2002. It's kind of cool to see that. But all that black right there, that black stripe, is the double-sided tape that's applied from the factory. So here is a little view of the mold marking for the production date that this spoiler was made, and just a good view of the underneath. This just shows the stuff I applied to it. It's 3M VHB tape, 1/2 inch wide from Advanced Auto Parts. You can get it probably at any local parts store. This stuff is extremely strong, so I just lined the entire thing where the OEM stuff was. Of course, I peeled up the OEM stuff first, and then lined it, peeled the release liner back. It's got a gray color to it. As you can see, I kind of left the drain holes open because the mold leaves a little gap there for the drain holes. And just pressed it back on the car, bolted it back up, and pushed down on it for a minute so it would stick. And the result was like OEM again. So that's how you do a quick fix on the OEM S2000 spoiler. Feel free to give a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.